All right, check it out. So I'm here at Fountain Creek, the Pueblo portion, and I'm finding some interesting rocks. I showed that there's a ton of igneous rocks, contrary to popular belief. But these were interesting. So this appears to be Chert. And a lot of times, Chert replaces a fossil, or I guess this could be a concretion, but it's pretty interesting, pretty heavy actually. This guy right here looks, you know, to be made of sandstone, but it is super, super heavy. So this is leading me to believe we definitely have a fossil here, because as I said, if you're in the field, a great way to know if you're on the right track anyway, is that if the piece is heavier, substantially heavier than a similar sized rock of the same general mineralogy, then you most likely have a fossil. This is a pegmatite, whoops, a pegmatite, or I guess this might be more of a granitic rock. The crystals aren't super big to where you can see them. It's also pretty heavy, but that just might be a granitic rock. This is kind of cool, huh? Lots of quartz and lots of igneous, aka volcanic rock. I found this piece of basalt walking in, and then I found a few really big ones, too heavy to pick up, which is an igneous rock. More basalt right here. And I think what a good indicator of igneous rocks is when you see that it's porous. You know, it's got these kind of holes in it. I mean, in my experience, most of the time, if you see a porous type of texture like that, that you are dealing with an igneous rock. And then we have some massive crystals. Look at that. It's got almost a blinding kind of reflection. It appears to be quartz. It's a nice big one. Okay, now this is a super big igneous rock. That's mammoth. You can see feldspar. Looks like there could be some garnet involved. Those are common with igneous rocks. Here we have an igneous rock. Now this could be tricky because you might think that it's, well, it could be. It kind of looks like a granitic rock, but you could also think it might look like a schist because of the banding. And some really big quartz. This is a good example right here of a pegmatite. So where it reflects kind of that purple color, that is, it could be quartz, but it could be other things. So pegmatites are the #1 source of gemstones.